What do you do in the morning? What do you do in the morning?
I wake up. I wake up. I take a shower. I take a shower. I get dressed. I get dressed. And I eat breakfast. And I eat breakfast.
Oh, when do you get up? When do you get up?
I get up at 6. I get up at 6.
Wow, that's early. Wow, that's early.
I know. I like mornings, though. I know. I like mornings, though.
What do you do during the day? What do you do during the day?
Well, I go to school. Well, I go to school. I teach students. I teach students.
Ooh, what do you teach? Ooh, what do you teach?
I teach maths. I teach maths. What do you do? What do you do?
I work at a bike shop. I work at a bike shop.
Really? Really? What do you do at the shop? What do you do at the shop?
I fix and sell bikes. I fix and sell bikes.
Sounds fun. Sounds fun.
What do you do at lunch? What do you do at lunch?
I eat with my friends. I eat with my friends. And you? And you?
I eat in the park. I eat in the park.
That's nice. That's nice.
Yeah, I like to read on my lunch break. Yeah, I like to read on my lunch break.
Ooh, what do you read? What do you read?
I read about history. I read about history.
Interesting. Interesting.
What do you do on the weekend? What do you do on the weekend?
I play sports at the park. I play sports at the park. How about you? How about you?
I study at the library. I study at the library.
Oh, right. You love books. Oh, right. You love books.
Yeah. So, what sports do you play? Yeah. So, what sports do you play?
I play soccer with my friends. I play soccer with my friends.
Sounds fun. Sounds fun.
It is. It is.
Do you have any pets? Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat. Yes, I have a cat. What about you? Do you? What about you? Do you?
I don't have a cat, but I have a dog. I don't have a cat, but I have a dog.
Nice. Do you have a big yard? Nice. Do you have a big yard?
Yes, I have a big yard, so it is perfect for my dog. Yes, I have a big yard, so it is perfect for my dog.
Yeah, I don't have a yard, so I can only have a cat. Yeah, I don't have a yard, so I can only have a cat.
Do you cook much? Do you cook much?
Yes, I cook all the time. Yes, I cook all the time. Do you cook? Do you cook?
No, I don't like to cook very much. No, I don't like to cook very much.
Oh, so do you buy your dinner? Oh, so do you buy your dinner?
Yes, I buy it at the supermarket. Yes, I buy it at the supermarket.
Do you buy dinner every night? Do you buy dinner every night?
Yes, I never cook. Yes, I never cook.
Wow, that is expensive. Wow, that is expensive.
Do you play sports? Do you play sports?
Yes, I do. Yes, I do. I really love basketball. I really love basketball.
Do you play on a team? Do you play on a team?
Yes, but we do not play in winter. Yes, but we do not play in winter.
Oh, do you play in summer? Play in summer?
Yes, we play in spring and summer. Yes, we play in spring and summer.
Do you play at the gym in town? Do you play at the gym in town?
No, we play at a high school. No, we play at a high school.